The Samsung Galaxy A26, anticipated for release in early 2025, is set to enhance Samsung's mid-range lineup with several notable features. The device is rumored to feature a 6.63-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, the Galaxy A26 is expected to be powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, an octa-core processor with 2 Cortex A78 cores clocked at 2.6 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 cores at 2.0 GHz, ensuring efficient performance for daily tasks and multitasking. The device is likely to come with 6 GB of RAM and offer storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB, providing ample space for apps and media. The camera setup is expected to include a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP macro lens, offering versatility for various photography needs. For selfies, a 13MP front-facing camera is anticipated, delivering clear and detailed images. The device is likely to house a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support, ensuring prolonged usage with minimal downtime. Additionally, the Galaxy A26 is expected to launch with Android 15, providing users with the latest features and security updates. These specifications suggest that the Galaxy A26 will offer a balanced combination of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life, making it a compelling choice in the mid-range smartphone market.